Trader, and we are looking at our indicator performing live on the 1 second chart. You can see we're using real-time data. The indicator we're using is our own happytrader.io sentiment AI with a Lumatrend, and you can see how it pops the buy signals up in real time, and we're just going to watch the indicator for a little while. So let's just enjoy. We have a sell signal, a buy signal, and this is the 1 second time frame. So you can see that there's a lot of granularity happening here. And you can see our downtrend signal results in a bigger move. Our uptrend signal results in a bigger move. Just got an uptrend signal. Sell signal. That uptrend might have just been a scalp. Oh, we have a buy signal. Looks like we had the beginnings of a sell. And then the buy took over. Looks like there is a little bit of buying pressure, but it is 3:19 p.m., so who knows, right? So anyway, this indicator has been designed for 2 years, back tested. You can see our other videos on the channel. My name's Ryan, CEO and head quant here at Happy Trader, and we're just going to admire basically 2 years of hard work. And you can just see even on the 1 minute, just getting this great ability to scalp is a beautiful thing. If you're a quant trader, if you're a high frequency trader, if you're just sitting there scalping, hitting buy and sell, we can also just kind of have more fun watching these bigger moves. Now this is kind of sideways action. Then we had our buy signal, and we're just going to have to wait for a second to get our next signal. And you can see these signals print in real time. So pretty cool stuff. Using multiple data feeds, data sets, data points. And what we're going to do is just kind of just let it roll. So we're still on this uptrend. And let's kind of adjust the chart a little bit. Looks like we're kind of breaking out to the upside above here, above this ridge. Pretty cool. Some strong buying pressure happening there. And what's cool about our indicator is that it works on any time frame, any ticker. So it also backtests beautifully. If you look at some of the other videos, the index videos, you can see we're kind of heading off the chart here a little bit. So let's go out a little bit, and then we'll go back. So we'll go to the 5-minute chart, which is a more sane day trading chart. And we can just compress this down, and we can see our uptrend signal all the way back here. And then you can see for today, we're still continuing on that uptrend signal. And then if we go back to let's go to a 5-second chart and see what that looks like. Stretch this chart out. You can see that we had the buy signal and the uptrend very close. That's going to signify a lot of potential amplitude there. The closer the uptrend is to the buy, usually that's going to mean a bigger move. What we'll do is we will turn on our Lumatrend. And we'll kind of paint that all in. And we'll switch back to the 1-second chart. And this is great for if the price action is slower. You can just compress your chart here in TradingView, and you can get them scalped. So we had a downtrend signal. Let's see what happens. And there goes the market down, right? So nice little scalp there. So you can see this is a pretty cool indicator that gives you the heads up in real time. Not only did it tell us that the trend was going to change, but it actually gave us an amplitude, like an actual trading signal, a downtrend signal, which is pretty cool stuff. And you can just admire this. We can also look at other tickers. So we could look at Tesla, and we will do that. And that one's really, really, really volatile. And let's just keep watching it. And we had an uptrend signal just out of nowhere. Leave it to Tesla to be super volatile. So there's our uptrend signal there. Look at that, just printing in real time. And then if we go out to the 5-minute chart, you can see we're not even going to compress that. Let's go back to the 1-second chart. Tesla, as you can see, this is why the options, trade for such a high premium. Let's go to Apple. We're going to stay on the 1-second time frame. On Apple, we have a downtrend after a sell signal, pretty close, and look at the amplitude of that move. Not too bad, right? So just watch Apple for a minute. And while we're waiting on Apple to do something, because it's a lot slower than Tesla, we can see that the indexes are divergent. So there's a lot going on in the market. It looks like it's a consolidation of some sort. It's also almost 3:30 Eastern time here on Tuesday, January 9th, 2024. So, you're going to get a little bit of, that end of day consolidation as well. You can see we have our potential uptrend signal, and if it gets invalidated, we'll just get a sell signal, or this buy signal will go away depending on the conditions. Then when we get our downtrend signal, that's a good scalp. You can see that was clearly a nice little scalp there. And same thing with the uptrend signal. And now we have an uptrend signal that printed. We have our buy signal. It's kind of close, so this might not run as far, but let's see. The closer this downtrend is to this sell, or this uptrend to this buy, our indicator will have a higher degree of amplitude in that move. So now we have a sell signal, and let's see if we just get rid of that. And you're going to get way more signals on a 1-second chart. This is the lowest time frame. So this is where, this is kind of quant territory where, okay, that's great. So we had our uptrend signal, it was semi close to our buy signal. When it was this close, like almost on top of it, we had a really big move. And when it's here, we should still have a reasonable move. But the point is, these uptrend and downtrend signals are just phenomenal. And we can just sit here and switch between tickers. What else do we got? We could do, it's another good one. Sure, we'll do GameStop for the kids. And you can just, let's see what this one even does. This one's just trading so sideways and volatile. It looks like it is just algoed. We're going to switch to a big index. Let's actually do the ES futures. Actually, we could do the, we could do the ES futures. The E-minis, the most liquid product on the market. And we'll just look at that with the 1-second chart. And we'll just position the chart. And if you know anything about trading, if you've been a trader for any period of time, you can see that there's a big difference between just random price candles on the 1-second chart, only knowing what's happening beforehand, because God forbid, you see this green and then you buy into that and then it goes down. But when you have our indicator, clearly you can see that that move ran out of steam. You wouldn't need to buy there, and you would wait for a potential downtrend signal. And in this case, it was just a quick scalp and then an uptrend scalp, downtrend scalp. And remember, this is the 1-second chart. So we have our uptrend signal that just popped, pretty close to the buy signal. Should, go a little bit further, and then maybe we'll see a sell. Let's see. And the reason we're on real-time data is right here. Oh, there it is. So you can see the distance between the uptrend and the buy. It does matter for the duration and amplitude of the signal. Like I said, if it's right on top of that buy, it can be even closer, even on the 1-second chart. Now, if you get a sell here, this could just be a short-term, very short-term micro consolidation, and then you could just continue into the buy. And then finally, let's look at crazy ticker TQQQ, triple leverage NASDAQ, and see what this is doing. This one should be pretty crazy. A nice downtrend signal there. We're in the midst of an uptrend signal here, and being that it's the end of the day, it might sell off. Let's see what happens. And we'll go ahead and flip off the Illuma trend. Some people like it, some people don't. Doesn't matter. You'll still get a line either way. This indicator is available at happytrader.io if you are curious. And you can like and subscribe to the channel for all types of things: strategies, options trading, futures trading, all of the things related to day trading, swing trading, backtesting, DCA, lump summing, portfolio optimization, portfolio structure, all that good stuff. And you can see that we had a ton of signals in this video. And if we just kind of stretch this chart all the way out, we see a buy signal and an uptrend. We're going to turn our Illuma trend back on. Buy signal and uptrend, pretty close, pretty close. Let's see if we don't go up. We'll let the market consolidate, and you can see S&P is still negative, Dow's still negative, NASDAQ's fighting. It's fighting to go positive. And we have an uptrend signal on the 1 second chart, but that doesn't mean everything. You know, we need it on the 5-minute chart, on the 1-minute chart. And we had a sell signal there. And let's see if that was a consolidation signal. Huge downtrend signal right on top of a sell signal. All right, so this signal was a scalp. Now we have a big downtrend signal. And let's see if this one moves a little further because it was so close to the sell. Now these signals, like this signal here, when you're toward the end of the day, you need to watch your risk management in the form of stop losses. Maybe if this uptrend, if you take this uptrend and then the price, reverts, you may want to put on a hedge. You may want to put on a straddle. So maybe buy an option long, buy an option short, and then pair the short option if the market continues to go up. Again, you can like and subscribe for some stuff on hedging. And when these moves do, for whatever reason, don't have the amplitude, the technicals are there, but for whatever reason, whether it's because it's 3:32 p.m. Eastern time and the market's about to close, or whether news is dropping, or whether it's earnings or whatever, you just have to be careful even when you have your signals. But overall, these signals are going to be super reliable, and you can just see from this video just how fun it is to watch these signals in real time. Again, my name's Ryan from Happy Trader. Good luck. Have a great day. Happy trading.